What's up YouTube? It's M West, and today I'm taking a look at the 360 mod. A couple of you guys have asked to see what it looks like when I'm using external microphones with the 360 mod. Well, some of these external microphones completely ruin the shot. So today I'll go ahead and check that out and see what it actually looks like. As you can see, I'm using the stock frame that came from Insta360. I don't have the one with the cold shoe mount, but what I'm using is a bit of Velcro tape at the very top with this cold shoe mount that I'm going to go ahead and put all my different microphones in. So again, I'll be testing the Rode Video Micro, the Rode Wireless Go, the Ceramic mic, and a lapel microphone, and then rotating the camera 360 degrees to kind of see what it looks like while these different microphones are attached. Will it ruin the shot? Can I just frame them out? Or will they just be completely invisible? So let's head outside and see what that looks like. Alright, so I'm outside and I'll first start off with the Ceramic mic. Alright, then I'll let that run for about 15 seconds. See what it actually looks like in that up position. Alright, now I have it angled directly up to see if it'll be erased out. Having it sideways, I'm pretty sure it's going to show up on camera, but facing it up is kind of unusable, so I'm not sure if that's even good either, but we'll see. Alright. Alright, now let's go ahead and test the Rode Video Micro. Let that run for 15 seconds. I'm pretty sure that cable's going to be picked up. Alright, and I'll stop this one there. I'm able to get that cable out the way better, but not sure if the tip or the back edge of the Rode Video Micro will be picked up. So let's see how that comes out. Alright. So it hangs. Right. Alright. So that's kind of dangling off to the side. Maybe you can wrap it around the pole, maybe it'll become invisible that way. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Now I'm using the stock case that came with the camera, and I'm sure the case that has the cold shoe mount would probably be a little bit better. And perhaps maybe moving this over to the side with Velcro and seeing how that comes out might work a little bit better, but I'm thinking a lot of these cameras, because of the front or rear profile, are still going to show up on the camera. Ulanzi just made a new case, a metal case that has cold shoe mounts and things already built in. I think that's about 40 or 50 bucks. I'll go ahead and put links in the description so you guys can find it, but I don't think it's being sold yet. But I think that's a slightly better alternative than the Insta360 cage that they have right now. Well, let me know what you guys think about this quick 360 mod test with the microphones. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and other than that, I'm out, YouTube. Peace.